Father's Day is a special day to celebrate the bond between a father and a child. It's a day to reflect on the memories created and the importance of being present in your child's life. Being a father is more than just providing for your child. It's about being there for them, creating memories, and being a positive influence in their life. This Father's Day, take the time to reflect on the memories you've created with your child and the importance of being present in their life. Happy Father's Day.
One Hoover,